Hello and welcome. If you're preparing for your first overseas medical treatment, you might be wondering where to start. In this video, we'll guide you through the 7 essential tips you need to know to ensure a smooth and successful treatment experience abroad. Let's get started. First and foremost, it's crucial to prepare your existing medical records. The hospital where you plan to receive treatment will need to review these records to provide an accurate quote and treatment plan. For example, they need to understand your past diagnoses, treatments you've undergone, and your current health status. Without these records, the hospital can only provide a general estimate, which may differ from the actual costs once the treatment begins. Particularly for disease-related treatments, it's important to include previous diagnoses, test results, and a list of current medications. While medical records might not be mandatory for general checkups or cosmetic procedures, it's still beneficial to have them ready. Failing to prepare these records in advance could lead to delays, as the hospital may request them later on, costing you valuable time. The second step is to choose a reliable hospital or medical agency. Start by searching online for hospitals and agencies, reading reviews, and considering patient testimonials. Social media can also be a valuable resource. For example, you can find real patient stories on Instagram or Facebook. When choosing an agency, ensure it's officially registered. In Korea, for instance, you can check with Medical Korea to verify if an agency is officially recognized. This helps you avoid unregistered or fraudulent providers. Finding a trustworthy hospital or agency is crucial for a successful treatment experience. The third step is understanding the difference between hospitals and medical agencies. Hospitals typically offer only medical services, whereas agencies provide comprehensive care that includes immigration assistance, accommodation, transportation, and even tourism services. If you want to compare quotes from multiple hospitals, going through an agency might be more advantageous. Financially, there's usually no significant difference whether you go directly to a hospital or through an agency. Hospitals generally charge the same treatment fees for foreign patients, and since foreign patients aren't covered by Korean health insurance, agencies often receive a commission from the hospital. Agencies can manage everything from your arrival to discharge, offering a more seamless experience. However, some hospitals have recently started providing additional services like pickups, so it's a good idea to check in advance. The fourth step is to get treatment estimates. Treatment in Korea can be much more affordable compared to the US, but it's also important to ensure good communication with the hospital or agency. If responses to your inquiries are slow or unclear, it might indicate future issues with the level of care provided. When comparing treatment costs, consider not only the price, but also the qualifications of the medical staff, the equipment and medications used, the treatment methods, and the duration and waiting time for the treatment. For example, different equipment or medications can lead to different outcomes, and the length of treatment or waiting time can also be crucial factors. Make sure to consider all these aspects when making your decision. The fifth step is to compare the estimates with your budget and coordinate the treatment schedule. If the treatment is urgent, securing an appointment as soon as possible is crucial. Popular hospitals may have long waiting times, so it's beneficial to schedule early. An agency can help explore multiple options and suggest the best schedule for you. The sixth step is purchasing your airline tickets once your treatment schedule is confirmed. Booking your tickets early not only helps you save money, but also gives you more options for seat selection. Additionally, hospitals or agencies often give more attention to clients who have already booked their flights, as this indicates a serious commitment to the treatment. The final step is to check your passport and visa. U.S. citizens can visit Korea without a visa, but it's essential to check your passport's expiration date and renew it if necessary. Hotel reservations and airport transfers can easily be arranged through your agency. Agencies provide comprehensive management of your entire stay, from arrival to discharge, making your trip more manageable. Make sure to check all these details to ensure a smooth and hassle-free journey and treatment experience. Additionally, the Korean government offers various support programs to promote medical tourism. For example, some programs offer free airport pickup services or complimentary sightseeing tours. In Busan, medical tourists can enjoy a free one-day tour service until the end of this year. These promotions not only help reduce costs, but also make your stay more enjoyable. Airport pickup services help you start your trip on the right foot, and the free sightseeing tours offer a great opportunity to experience Korean culture during your recovery. Don't miss out on these benefits and make the most of your trip. And that's it. These are the 7 essential tips you need to know when preparing for your first overseas medical treatment. By following these steps, you'll be well prepared for a safe and successful treatment experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.